this. Last time I was messing with the clutch pedal, I don't think I showed it in the video, but I actually cracked my iPhone. I had it here and I was using it for a flashlight and I dropped the socket on there. Similarly, I dropped the socket on my forehead and I don't know if you can tell, but it left a nice little mark there. So, this car, not to mention, it's 90 degrees outside. It feels like 100. And there's an annoying dog behind me. Gotta push through it. I haven't really been talking much on the video, but I'm replacing the bushings for the clutch pedal. If you saw on the video, but the clutch pedal had a lot of side-to-side play. And I thought it was because of the bushings. I just pretty much stole them from the parts car. And here, I'll show you. So that's how it is. It's just a tube, a metal tube. And on the ends, it has these bushings. And I saw them because they were cracked. I don't know if you can see that on video. They were both cracked like that. So I assume they were just bad. But the new ones are also cracked like that. I spent way too much time. So some Vaseline grease, and I hate how this stuff smells. And if you get it on your hands, it's like impossible to get the smell away from it. And actually, I'm gonna use a zip tie to spread it around. Because why not? I don't want to get it all over my hands. You know what I mean? Oh, the bushing's still here. Okay, I'm gonna pretend I didn't get any on my hand. So, just gotta... Okay, so now the tube goes in there. All the way in. Now let's get the new bushings in. Here's a part number if you're looking to do this on your manual IS300. Manual. This isn't really... I'm gonna get the other one and kind of sandwich them in. Oh no. Remember when I said I was trying not to get any on me? Well, that didn't work. But I think this has plenty of grease. So there's a little bit of play, but not as bad as before. I swear, I'm selling this car if this doesn't work. I'm calling it right now. And look at that. The clutch pedal now has the same play as the brake pedal, so that's good. It could have been that bolt up there was loose or not tight enough, but good new bushings in. Everything hurts. I wish I never did this. Oh. Well, it turned on. So, yay. But I'm gonna put all this away so I can actually have some table space, and I'm just gonna clap, what is that called? Snap my fingers, and then everything's gonna be done. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, look what happened. I can actually use the table now, but let me turn this off, probably can't hear me. So that's an AC unit, right? Just like a typical window unit, has the I guess the vent for the hot air. Blows cold air and it's awesome, but the thing is I don't have a window to actually put that vent out, so I can just get the hot air out. I'm sitting here in a box. So the only out is that way, the actual garage door. I wish I could just drill a hole there, but with that thing pumping cold air and hot air, it just pretty much cancels itself out. I thought about getting some insulation board and making like a little template, just closing the garage partly, but anyway. It's actually kind of nice because when I was putting stuff away, I didn't really put stuff away, I was just kind of piling it on there. I had this thing on, so I was kind of blowing cold air towards me. Update with the FRS, I'm actually going to get my plates tomorrow, probably in this video. Brakes might need some attention, and what is this? Is that a common thing for 8.6s to do? Is the other one still there? Oh no. Yeah, the other one's still there. Blueberry is just sitting there. I don't know. I've been considering painting it. The paint's pretty gross on it, just like spray painting it black. I feel like I'm too, what's the word? I know better not to spray paint a car. I clean up a little bit of that surface rust from the battery, some battery acid. I'm gonna see if I have some paint so I can paint the battery cover, make it a little nicer. And with just 5 minutes of cleaning it, it's a lot better, but I need to get a Scotch-Brite and kind of go over that, because that's actual, it's still surface rust, but it's I can't get it off with a shop towel, so I'm just gonna sand it down, put a little bit of paint so it doesn't. And just like that, it's actually the next day. It was way too hot out here to do anything, so it's still hot, but not as hot. I sanded down the surface rust a little bit with a little bit of sandpaper and some Scotch-Brite, but I do have some bare metal spots now. So I am gonna just spray paint it. I don't have white paint, so I'm gonna have to use some black primer and paint just a little bit so it doesn't rust. Under batteries is a common place for cars to start rusting. This wasn't bad at all. It was just stained more than anything. I was too lazy to go inside and grab the tape. Battery's gonna be there, so it's not like it's gonna be seen. I'm already ghettoing this car. That was the only primer I had, so it's fine for now. But I still gotta clean the actual bracket and the tray, because they're pretty bad. Direct sunlight. Hard to do it with one hand, so. I might keep this plate because it will let me know how much I didn't like the other shop. It's really true what they say about the back seats of an FRS. Who can sit there? Seriously, like, there's no room back there. It's crazy. Okay, so this is day 3 or 4 of this video. I'm just gonna put the battery in, painted those battery holder thing, something like that. There we go, battery's in and it's nice and sturdy, so it's not going anywhere.
I feel so short. What are you doing?
I'm trying to pair up the Bluetooth because reasons, so I can play music. I don't use Bluetooth very much because I don't really have a lot of things that have Bluetooth, so I'm a noob when it comes to Bluetooth things.
Look at all the room for the groceries back there.
There's like no room at all.
I'm glad we're going to the grocery store.
This is really a tiny car. You can see the milk, the gallon of milk is a reference to this tiny trunk, but it's a grocery getter. Yes. Just don't look at the seam here. The tape job. Don't look at him.
I have this on open stuff.
Either way, we're gonna end the video here. It's been like 5 days in the making, so I have no idea how much footage I have or anything, but look at her, she looks like a ninja. Yep, it's something. For the Instagram. Oh wow, that's actually a good picture. Send that to me.